5-5 हार के 7-7 खेले।
फाइनल है हमारा लास्ट मैच। नीचे से गोल पक्का था।
White ball, extra run.
2 टीम ऊपर के 5-5 जीते, 2 टीम नीचे के 5-5 जीते।
तीनों हारे हैं। फ्रेंड्स 11 हार गए। नहीं, यूनाइटेड 11 सॉरी।
यूनाइटेड 5 हारी तो 5 हारा।
ऑफलाइन में टक्कर लगा बैट्समैन।
Oh, good ball, another dot. The spring in the stride of the fielders of Linux Challengers with those 5 big wickets up front.
खरगोश को कोई मंजूर करो। कौन है?
Oh, well bowled. That's a beauty. That's a bang. The runs. 5 overs completed, 36 for the loss of 5 wickets. We are halfway down the stage. After 5 overs, 36 for 5. Another 5 overs remaining.
कौन है?
Jimmy Jain brought back into the attack. Already bowled 1 over. This is his second over of his spell. Already he has got 5 wicket haul yesterday. White ball, extra run. Just staying in line.
टच बोल रहा है, टच हुआ है। ऐसा था रिव्यू है तो ले ले। हाँ चलो सुन रहा क्या?
Umpire, white ball or legal ball? Legal, good ball, yes. Good ball, good ball.
जिम्मे ऑफ में रख, जिम्मे
बोल गया।
ऑफ रख।
पता है। ये भी जो कमेंट्री बात।
Oh, well bowled. That's a dot ball from Jimmy Jain. Umpire, notice for the umpire. Review is available. If you want, you can take that. Played it down the ground, takes a single. Runs are coming in singles at the moment. The boundaries are dried up.
जिम्मे कल वाला बॉल डाल।
नहीं दिया जे के बोल दो ना। हाँ।
कान खुलेगा।
मैं थ्रोज करने का हूँ। बॉलिंग नहीं है।
That's a good shot. Sweet sound of the willow. There is a man. It landed safely. Just only a single.
थोड़ी कर रहा हूँ मैं। नाक बात करें तो करेंगे। खाली चिल्लाने का अकल नहीं है। देखो जगत तो। हाँ ये वाला लगा।
Good ball. That's a beauty from Jimmy Jain.
जरूरत नहीं पानी करता है।
1.56 runs.
5.5.
1.5 हारा।
In fact, Jimmy Jain bowled 1.5 over. Totally 5.5 over. Score, total score?
Score 38 for 5, 5.5.
5.5 overs, 38 for 5. Last ball to go to complete over number 6.
कल
That's it. Dot ball to finish the over.
Take down.
6 overs completed. 38 runs for the loss of 5 wickets. Another 4 overs remaining. After 6 overs, 38 for 5.
जैसा मारता हमारा खेलेगा
New bowler introduced into the attack. Naresh comes to bowl. After 6 overs, 38 for 5.
Minimum.
Shailesh Sallu, in the history of BGC, he is playing his first semi-final match. Shailesh Sallu, dot ball.
हमारे टीम
That's it, in the air. Oh, just away. Might be kissing the fingertips, it looks like. One run to the total.
अभी बैटिंग करो बैटो
Good here, good here.
Oh, dot ball, another dot ball. Dot balls are building in numbers. The bowlers of Remax Challengers, they are bowling dot ball after the dot ball. Again, another dot ball. Take that. The bowling has been so far so good from this Remax Challengers.
सेम मारता नाउ कम कर सपाट होता वो भी मारा सेलेक्टेबल मारना
No run again. The runs are hard to combine. The boundaries are dried up.
Beauty bowling यार नरेश. बहुत बढ़िया bowling है यार.
चोरी की दिया तू एक डरना
Again, another dot ball. This is very good line and length. 7 overs gone. 39 for the loss of 5 wickets. Just 1 run given away in Naresh in his first over. After 7 overs, 39 for 5. Seven overs gone, 39 for 5. Last 3 overs remaining. With the wicket of Prithvi Jain, the doors are open for the Remax Challengers. After Prithvi, Joel and the remaining batsmen making a parade from the pitch to pavilion, pavilion to pitch.
Vyom 2 overs
Vyom, 2 overs, no maiden, 7 run and 2 wicket. This is his third over. Can he take another wicket? It's a dot ball. The bowlers are bowling well at the moment. Plain miss. Another dot ball. The score stationary on 39 run. Good bowling. Another plain miss.
ये क्या भरना भरना नहीं आ रहा बैटिंग में कर रहा है जाऊँ मैं
This time connected it properly, hit it straight down the ground. Culp is the man after long off. After 7 balls, 1 run scored by the batsman. That means the next challengers how tight they are bowling at the moment. That's up in the air. I don't think that will go all the way. Is that? Yes, it is. That's a welcome boundary. The boundary sponsored by Bharat Auto Spares Private Limited. Something to cheer about. This time ball goes to the offside. There is a fielder in the deep. The pen there for the second. Slight of fumble by Pakshal. Couple of runs to the total. Naresh looks like, not Pakshal. Both are looking in same physical standard.
Score 46. 8 overs 46.
8 overs completed, 46 for 5. Vyom considered 7 runs in the first 2 overs. Now he has considered 7 runs in the last over. After 8 overs, 46 for 5. Last 2 overs to go.
बोलो जी एथलीट मैच स्कोरिंग
ले मिड विकेट पे रे नहीं ठीक है मैं आ रहा हूं
विरोध कुछ अभी कुछ
लवली बॉलिंग यार
Well bowled.
बॉलिंग यार
Sheikh Bhai, Pakshal, Naresh. Naresh, he's bowling his second over. Starts off with a dot ball. Oh, lovely shot. That's a sweet sound. That goes for the distance. Maximum result. The 6 runs sponsored by Bharat Auto Spares Private Limited.
पिछला ऐसे ही बीट हो जाएगा
Just what the team needed. That brings 50 runs on the board. 52 for 5. 9th over, penultimate over in progress.
वेट ओके
Want to repeat the same. Ball didn't came onto the bat. It's a dot ball.
क्या
Good ball again. Another dot delivery. result is the same. Consecutive dot balls. Last ball. Score for 52. 52. 52 for 5. Last ball remaining in this over number 9. 52 for 5. और बहुत है, अभी 7 विकेट है. That's out. Clean bowled by the bowler Naresh. Another wicket goes down. Wicket number 6. Wicket sponsored by PM Distributor. 52 for 6 after 9 overs. Last over to go. Who will bowl the last over? Couple of chances. Kalp has got an opportunity.
Obama. Hey, Jainam Dante Vadia. Bowling. Batting bowler. Obama.
Non-striker. ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು.
Obama in the non-striking end.
ಏನೋ ಒಂದ ನಾನಿದ್ದೀನಿ.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಅದು ಒಬಾಮಾ ಬರಾಕ್ ಒಬಾಮಾ ಪ್ರೆಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಅನ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಹಂಗೇನಿಲ್ಲ.
ಪ್ರೆಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಅವನು
ಅಮೆರಿಕನ್ ಪ್ರೆಸಿಡೆಂಟ್.
ಆತ ಆಗುವತ್ತ ಮುಗಿದೋಯ್ತು ಆತನ ಕತೆ.
ಇವಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ.
ನಮ್ಮ ಬಳ್ಳಾರಿ ಪ್ರೆಸಿಡೆಂಟ್.
52 for 6. Last over to go. Jimmy Jain is quite happy with the things are happening here. Kalp will finish things off.
Wait.
11-16 time.
It's 11-16. It is a definite sound, but it's a dot ball. The bowling has been quite outstanding by Remax challengers. Not only they contained, they took wickets on a regular intervals. This time no ball, pitching outside the pitch. Free hit.
Who is there? Runs, come on, yaar.
Good shot down the ground. Gone, another wicket goes down. Wicket sponsored by PM Distributor. Needless, absolutely needless. Obama has walked back to the pavilion.
ಕೃಷಿ
Batsman Krishi.
ಕೃಷಿ
ಎಲ್ಲ ಫಿಲ್ಡರ್ ಹೆಸರು ಕೃಷಿ.
ಕೃಷಿ ಜಿ ಫೀಲ್ಡರ್ ಹೆಸರು.
Krishi is the fielder. Good throw.
मुझे कर लेना है. अरे वाह. Wait.
Batsman name
Wait. Okay.
Mayuk, the new batsman. Didn't hand it well. Another dot ball. How many balls?
No ball minute 5 होना.
బాల్ ఎక్కించేసు లాస్ట్ 3
बाल एक ही चाहिए.
नहीं यार.
White ball. Called by the umpire. Extra run. Higher, not carried to the fielder. That will race away to the boundary. Totally misjudged it, the fielder. Not only the catch has been put down, ball went all the way to the boundary. The boundary sponsored by Bharat Auto Spares Private Limited. There is something to cheer about.
रोज अभी कंटिन्यू
घर खेल के दूर पता है
नहीं नहीं ऐसे नॉर्मल
डेली मॉर्निंग 6 to 8:30
कौन कौन
Play return to inside.
इधर इधर डबली
Last ball. Shir bhai, last ball. Total score? 60. Last ball to go. Good shot. That's 6 runs all the way. 66 is the score. 67 is the target for the Remix challengers. Last ball of the last over, 1 for 6. The 6 run sponsored by Bharat Auto Spares Private Limited. 66 is the score. 67 is target. And the first opening bowler for the Chintamani 11 looks like Joel, might be. Joel will open the proceedings.
ಇದು ಏನು 4 ಪರೋಟ ಕುಷ್ಕ ರೈಸು ಶೇರ್ವಾನ್ ಪಲ್ಯ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಶೇರ್ವಾ ಇದನ್ನ ಇಲ್ಲಿಡು
ಸ್ಕೋರರಿಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳಿಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಕೋರರಿಗೆ ಹೇಳಿಲ್ಲ
ಏನು ಹೇಳಿಲ್ಲ ಊಟ 13 ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಾ ರೈಸ್
ಮೇಲೆ ಇಡಬೇಡಣ ಚೇರ್ ಮೇಲೆ
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೇಲಿಡು Oh, well played by Anil Savla. Played that one down the ground to the onside. There is a fielder. 1 run. 67 is the target. Anil Savla opens his account and the team account with that nice pull shot down to the onside. Played it easily down the ground by Kalp. Kalp also opens his account with a single. Both batsmen opens their account with a single each. Down the leg side, wide ball. That's up in the air, clears the infield comfortably. This will run away to the boundary, I think. And it does. The first boundary and a welcome boundary. The boundary is sponsored by Bharat Auto Spares Finance Limited. Anil Savla likes to clear the infield comfortably and he cleared it nicely. Oh, very well ball goes behind the wicket keeper. One run to the total. Played it easily down to the offside. Chase for the fielder. 1 run taken. They back for the second. Couple of runs. After 1 over, 10 without any loss.
शेबे में डालता हूँ क्या है तो पूछता हूँ तुम्हारा
कीपर चेंज
After 1 over, 10 run without any loss. Prithvi, right arm, fast bowler. Into the attack. Played it on the offside easily, gentle push, takes a single. 1.1 over, 11 run without any loss. Good start by the Remax challengers Ballari. The team which wins will take third place in the points table. Good ball from Prithvi, that's a dot delivery. 56 runs needed in 52 balls. Required run rate is not a problem. All the wickets in the tank. They have got a very good start. 11 without any loss. Good shot, cuts it beautifully. This will running away to the boundary. I think it will go all the way, and it does. Another boundary. Boundary sponsored by the Bharat Autospares Private Limited. It's a Kalp this time. Anil Savla is on 7 from 5 with a 1 boundary. Kalp is on 7 from 4 balls with a 1 boundary. Both openers have got a very good start. This time to the onside. The ball running away towards the boundary, away from the fielder. That's another boundary. Another Bharat Autospares boundary. 19 without any loss. 1.4 over. Last 2 balls remaining in this over. Very productive. First time required run rate comes under 6 runs per over. Required run rate exactly 5.76 at the moment. Already 9 runs, a couple of balls to go in this Prithvi first over. Good shot. Takes the aerial route. Has he got hold of it? That's out. Who's the catcher? Jainam Jackie is the catcher. First breakthrough for the Chintamani 11 team. Prithvi has got the wicket. New batsman comes out to the middle.
Batsman name?
Batsman name?
Bharat.
Bharat. Bharat Chitti. That's a boundary for Bharat Chitti. Opens his account with a boundary. Wicket and 13 runs of it. After 2 overs, 23 for 1. 2 overs gone, 23 for 1. Last over to go in the mandatory power play. Still Anil Savla in the center. 48 ball, 44 runs needed. No problem. Required run rate, which is 5.50. Only the way Chintamani 11 team can win this matches by taking wickets on a regular intervals. Not only on a regular intervals, they can need to take a wicket in bunches. Looks like a Kunal Dantewadia. Kunal Kataria is the bowler, comes to ball. After 2 over 23 for 1, Anil Savla is on strike. Good shot, good placement. The ball running away from the fielder and into the boundary. The boundary is sponsored by Bharat Auto Finance Private Limited. (27 for 1). First ball went for the boundary. 47 ball, 40 runs needed still. Anil Savla is on 11 from 6 with a couple of boundaries. Bharat Chitti, first ball he faced, hits it for a boundary. Looking good, Bharat Chitti. Played it on the onside. 1 run to the total. And this is a very good placement. Another boundary, good placement. He played it fine indeed. Another Bharat Auto Spares Finance, in fact Bharat Auto Spares Private Limited boundary. Very good shot by Bharat Chitti. That's his second boundary. 2 ball, 2 boundaries for Bharat Chitti, looking in aggressive mood. 45 ball, 35 runs needed. Equation getting closer to the Remax challengers. Just staying around the leg side. 1 run. Now Anil Savla is on strike. He likes to take on the bowler. Couple of balls to go. Last 2 balls remaining in this over. Attempting for the reverse sweep. Doesn't get it right. Dot ball. So far 10 runs of it. Last ball remaining to complete mandatory batting power play. (33 for 1), 2.5 over, last ball to go to complete over number 3. Anil Savla is on strike. White ball, extra run. (34 for 1), 2.5 over. Required run rate 4.60. Straight away comes down due to this wonderful start by Remax challengers. Down the ground, takes a easy single to finish the over number 3. After 3 overs, 35 for 1. Overs of mandatory power play completed. After 3 overs, 35 for 1. 42 ball, 32 runs needed.
Umpire. Umpire. Leg.
We're really thankful for the sponsors who are giving a wonderful support to make this big event a grand success. Title Cup sponsor, Tasker Boss, Mr. Kishore Babu, wicket sponsored by PM Distributor, Power Play sponsored by Ballari Pharma Association, Mr. Arif Bhai, Magic Ball sponsored by Cherry Blossom, Jersey sponsored by Madhvi Jewelers, Boundary sponsored by Bharat Auto Spares Private Limited, Catch sponsored by Catch of the Match sponsored by Team Spartan, Cap sponsored by Madhuri, Best Batsman sponsored by SRK Blasters, Rohit Kumar, Man of the Match sponsored by Ecolife, Man of the Series sponsored by Nakarni Textiles. They are the sponsors giving wonderful support to make this big event a grand success. After 3 overs, 35 for 1, 42 ball, 32 runs needed.
Umpire, magic ball.
The mentor of Chintamani 11, Nipul Ballari. Nipul Jain.
मेंटर क्या कुछ बात करके
करते रहते ना हर एक बॉल वॉक करता रहा
ज्वेल है
Magic Ball. The Magic Ball sponsored by Cherry Blossom, Jewel. Is ready to bowl the second over of his spell. Jewel bowled already 1 over, conceded 10 runs. Anil Sawla is on strike. Not given. This is a magic ball. Well bowled by Joel.
बहुत जल्दी खेलते हैं
41 ball, 32 runs needed. Another dot ball. Top edge, it will land safely. Lucky for Anil Chawla. 1 run to the total. 39 ball, 31 runs needed still. Bharat Chetty is on strike. He is on 9 from 3. Good strike rate, 300 strike rate. Bharat Chetty maintains so far. Oh, good shot. Straight back to the bowler. Last 2 more balls to go to complete over number 4. 36 for 1. Good ball, another dot. So far just 1 run of it, last ball remaining.
37 ball 31 run.
Nicely played by Bharat Chetty. Takes a single. Single to finish the over number 4 after 4 overs, 37 for 1. Four overs completed, 37 for 1, just two runs of it. 36 ball, 30 runs. Looks like a Prithvi back into the attack. One over, no maiden, 13 run, 1 wicket for Prithvi. This is his second over. 36 ball, 30 runs needed. Bharat Chetty is on strike. Good shot down the ground. Beats the man at shot. Third man ball running away to the boundary. That went all the way. That's a very good shot from Bharat Chetty. That's his third boundary for Bharat Chetty. The boundary is sponsored by Bharat Auto Spares Private Limited. 35 ball, 26 runs needed. Bharat Chetty improved in this tournament. He is batting well. He is showing his aggressive intent. Already 3 boundaries to his name. Bharat Chetty is on 14 from 7. Anil Chawla is on 14 from 12. Bharat Chetty is on 14 from 7 with 3 boundaries. Good shot. Good going, Bharat Chetty. In this tournament, Bharat Chetty looks matured, experienced. Just put a bat on ball. We'll take a single. 4.2 overs, 42 for 1. 34 ball, 25 runs needed. Now Anil Chawla is on strike. Likes to clear the boundary rope easily. Anil Chawla, very good wicket keeper batsman, solid player in the beginning. Just outside the off stump. Dot ball. 33 ball, 25 runs needed. Again playing this, another dot ball. This is good bowling from Prithvi. He's bowling a length ball, hitting the deck hard. Getting very good bumps from the pitch. Nice belter of a pitch. He's hitting the deck hard like an international bowler. He has got pretty engaged still. Lot of years left in his career. Top edge, but landed safely. Again lucky, Anil Chawla second time.
Don't damage yourself, boy.
Last ball to go in this over number 5. 31 ball, 24 runs needed. Bharat Chetty is on strike. Bharat facing Anil. In fact, Prithvi, Anil Chawla the non-striking end. want to play premeditatedly on the onside. Dot ball to finish the over after 5 overs, 43 for 1. Five overs gone, 43 for 1, 30 ball, 24 runs needed.
In fact, last ball. Last ball.
Over umpire.
ಓವರ್ ಜವೆಲ್
Over.
ಜವೆಲ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬಾಲ್
Yes, Joel is the new bowler. Prithvi finishes. Good shot from Anil Chawla. That's up in the air. Should be taken, looks like, and put down. Couple of runs to the total.
गिव अप नहीं करेंगे बॉयज शाबाश जितीश भाई नेवर माइंड कम ऑन
22 runs in 29 balls. Joel Dantavadia bowling his third over of his spell. Good ball, good ball.
शाबाश जोल रहे हो बॉल या बॉल शाबाश कम ऑन जोल रहे हो शाबाश जोल
28 balls, 22 runs. Play and miss again. Another dot. Back-to-back dot balls. 27 ball, 22 runs needed.
डब्ल्यू बॉलिंग है 12 पे आओ कम बैक बोलते रहेंगे बॉल शाबाश 12 पे नेवर गिव अप बॉल कम ऑन यार 12 पे आओ
That's up in the air. Looks like it will land safely. Yes, it is. Another single to the total. Third time Anil Chawla living dangerously. 26 ball, 21 run. This is almost carry, but luck is favoring with Anil Chawla. Bharat Chitti is on strike. He's on 15 from 9. Good strike rate. Last 2 more balls to go to complete over number 6. Now mid-on drops back to long on. Play and miss. Last ball to go to complete over number 6. 46 for 1. 25 balls, 21 runs needed. Is there something in it in this match? Cuts it well, finds the gap. Bharat Chitti gets a boundary. Very good shot from Bharat Chitti. That's his 4th boundary. Another Bharat Auto Spares Private Limited boundary. After 6 overs, 50 runs exactly for the loss of 1 wicket. 17 runs needed in 24 balls. 24 balls, 17 runs needed. Joel Dantewadia finishes his full spell of 3 overs. Prithvi bowled 2 overs. Looks like Romit, left arm spin bowler, into the attack. So Romit Jain, left arm spin bowler, into the attack. Very clever bowler Romit Jain, always looking for wickets. 24 balls, 17 runs needed. Bharat Chitti is on 19 from 11. Anil Savla is on 18 from 19. Bharat Chitti really playing very good innings. Now Anil Savla facing Romit from the grand stage end. Good ball, starts off with a dot. Played it on the offside. They will go through for the run. Good running by the big man Anil Savla. 22 balls, 16 runs needed. Now Bharat Chitti is on strike. Oh, good shot, good shot. Straight to the man, misfield. And into the boundary. The boundary sponsored by Bharat Auto Spares Private Limited. 5th boundary for Bharat Chitti. He is in dealing boundaries. 21 ball, 12 runs. Good shot again. Another miss. Action replay. Same ball, same shot, same result. Another Bharat Auto Spares Private Limited boundary and the same place. Action replay. Back-to-back boundaries. 20 ball, 8 runs needed. Bharat Chitti moves on to 27 with a 6 boundaries. Played it on the onside. There is a fielder that takes a single. Already 10 runs in this over. 19 balls, 7 runs needed. Reverse shot, played it well. That takes a single. Over completed. After 7 overs, 61 for 1. They need another 6 runs in 18 balls. One big hit away, Remax Challengers to confirm their place as a 3rd team in the points table. One big hit away. Looks like Kunal Kataria is the bowler, back into the attack. $18 balls, 6 runs needed. One big hit away. Anil Savla is on strike. He is on 20 from 22. Bharat Chitti is on 28 from 14. Want to play the reverse sweep, doesn't get it right. Dot ball. 17 balls, 6 runs. Another dot.
Last ball.
Another dot. 3 dot balls in a row. Very good over. This is resulting to be. Three dot balls, 15 balls, 6 runs needed. Looks like Anil Chawla retired out.
शेख भाई कैसा करना रिटायर्ड आउट?
Seymour.
शो मोर रिटायर्ड.
That's it, it's another comfortable win.
कल पाया था.
Kalp finishes up the things in a style. Vyom, in fact, Vyom finishes up the things in style. Comfortable, comprehensive win for Romax Challengers. They become the third team in the points table. So I hope you have enjoyed this live telecast from this Wadla Cricket Ground, Ballari. We will meet you tomorrow. Until then, it's bye and good night to all of you.